Solution. Sensory oscillation is the antidote to bad design. Sensational inputs must vary both temporally and spatially, rising above and beyond mere vision. Sensational inputs must be appropriate and utilized as a key design material. Each individual perceives sensory inputs in varying capacities, bringing different associations and interpretations. Alesthesia is the concept of varying sensory interpretation, with individual physiological or psychological factors producing a pleasurable or displeasurable experience. Inputs must oscillate in order to avoid displeasure and desensitization. Good architecture must avoid homogeneous monotony and provide for difference. The 5 architectural categories of sensing include somatosensation, olfactogustation, equilibroception, audition, and vision. Designing with the senses must be done carefully. As materials are chosen to represent, reflect, and convey, so too must sensory input. A quiet space may be soothing or frightening. A soft floor may be comforting or unnerving. A fragrant space may be enriching or distracting. The experience must reflect the site, brief, surroundings, and user. Do not presume to prescribe sensations based on own personal experience. Good design. Well-designed architecture utilizes the senses to enhance experience, improve function, and aid in navigation. The base intention should be to create what Zumthor describes as a total sensory atmosphere, one that caters for low vision and enhances the overall experience. The sensory qualities of a space can generate wildly varying atmospheres, and thoughtful design must enhance the experience by utilizing all available senses. The program must be reflected and improved by utilizing the senses appropriately. Sensory qualities must both reflect and improve the function of a space. Architects are well aware of lighting and acoustics, but often appropriate smell, haptics, balance, and texture go unnoticed. The primary role of architecture is to orient the world back to our sense of self and being. Thus, it must be readable, with users able to quickly generate a cognitive map. This is particularly important with low or no vision individuals, as inadequate spatial cues can cause insecurity, embarrassment, annoyance, and distress. Differing sensory cues are required to provide navigational inputs, achieved with material difference, fixed objects, volume, and planning. Each of the 5 architectural sensory categories must be utilized appropriately to achieve an enhanced experience, improve function, and easy navigation for both low and no vision and sighted users.